morning everyone, my name is Manish and studying in third class. Explain about digestive system. The process of breaking down food into a secure form is called digestion. The digestive system consists of mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, pancreas, liver, small intestine and anus. In the mouth we chew the food with the help of our teeth. This food mixes with saliva and becomes soft. Liver carries the food into the stomach. In the stomach, the food mixes with the digestive juices and is digested further. The food then passes into the small intestine and the digestive juices from small intestine. Liver and pancreas complete the process of digestion. The digested food is then absorbed by the brain in the small intestine. The undigested food goes into the large intestine and is finally good for the body through the anus. Now we are going to tell an amazing fact. Butterflies have sensors on their feet that help them find food for their caterpillars. Taste receptors on their feet are called chemoreceptors, which help them determine if a plant is safe to eat before laying their eggs. They can detect if a plant is sweet, bitter, sour,